Hopefully the battery line's out. We all made it to the Outlaw Finals. Hey, Logan, we're on film. Turn around and say what's up.
Come on now.
All right, we're all gonna give it a run. Hoping the battery holds out. All right, guys. Good luck, everybody. He's loving chicken grease. Craig, 50 bucks if you can block Logan out. Oh boy. All right, white flag.
All videotaping.
Hey, can you do that?
So then we can all have our final.
I heard your ass on me.
I'll let you have that shit. I was like, I can't do it. I hope this battery's still going. If it is, Logan Locke, here's your first place winner. I was on your turf tails, brother. I was wore out.
Oh man.
I stayed with you for a little bit and I was like, oh man, I just want to stay on the bike. Are we still running? Let's see. I think it's still going. Outlaws, we made it.
Outlaws.
Where'd you place, boss? Remember?
Last.
Last. Well, made the finals. Good job, Craig.
On the lead.
Yeah. Second place.
Hey Rick, I tried for you.
I let him have it though.
Yeah.
Good job, brother.
I tried to block for you, Rick. I can't hook up.
Appreciate it, Craig. Good job, man. Mr. Danny. What's going on, sir? What'd you make?
Third.
Third. Mr.
Yay!
Woo.
Good job,
Great
guys.
weekend, man. Great time.
I enjoyed the hell out of it.
That's a workout, ain't it?
Ain't it?
Woo. All right. Hydrate time, folks.
We're done?
Yeah.
So bad. My rope hit me so bad.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we spent the day out here racing at the Bluebonnet Motor Park. Great time. Brother Logan Locke here brought home first place. What do you think about it? Was it a workout?
I think we're gonna hand it to you after these 3 bolts I got from you in the beginning.
This is true. He was doing hot laps, come back over inside, thought his engine was locked up, and come over, one of the back bolts out of his side, or the torque converter covers backed out, locked his juggernauty up. Got that fixed, and some more heat laps, blew the side motor bolts out of it, so you know, race brothers, you always got to help them make the race, give them bolts. So
That's right.
my bolts made the bike fast.
That's
made
it.
them win.
That's it.
But good job, man. Great
Thanks
win.
to my sponsors.
Yeah.
Bustin' Knuckle Builds out there.
Always wanted to help a brother out with the nuts and bolts. What do you got to think about it, sir? Did you have a good time?
Yes, sir.
Like always.
Be back next time.
Yes, sir. Craig, did great, man. Good job.
Thank you.
Hell of a time.
Yep.
Oh, I should have said that, but anyway. All right.
We'll do it again.
Yeah, anytime. We'll have a lot more guys out next time, but it's a hot day. Track's good. You put some water on it, so cool. I'm gonna walk around and holler at some folks.
Participation award.
All right, yeah, now we're on. All right, everybody get in here. Mom, get in here.
Oh, Mom.
Can y'all see it? Everybody shrink down. Hold them up if you got them. Here we got second, third. Another cool weekend from racing out here at Bluebonnet. All right, we'll see y'all folks on the next video. Thank y'all for watching. Craig, what'd you get? Participation award? Let me see it.
Hey. Yeah.
Way to go, Craig! All right. Yeah, Brother Logan got first. I was hot on his heels. But anyway, maybe next time. I'm getting too old for this crap. All right. Yeah, first place.
Yeah.
Will we see you at the next race, sir? Right on. All right. See y'all later. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna call this a wrap. We done made it back to the house. I gotta unload everything, take me a shower. It's a hot day out there. But got to meet a bunch of cool folks, new guys, and my fellow buddies I get to race with all the time. It's a great time seeing y'all. And if you wanna get into mini bike racing, hey man, there's tons of groups out there you can sign on to, and Facebook and Instagram, whatnot. Start you a mini bike race team up. Get out there and have some fun. It would be an awesome time. And it's always a great time when I go race with my buddies and whatnot. But today we're out at Bluebonnet Motor Park in Deanville. So look him up. I think he's on Facebook. Might have an Instagram as well. But anyway, check that place out. Really cool place. But anyway, it was an awesome time. Congrats to all the winners that were winners today, including myself. Brung home the second. Thanks. Buddy Logan brung home the first. I'm gonna get him next time. But anyway, it was a great day. Got to see everybody. So thank y'all very much for watching, and all y'all 700 and something followers that I got, which is mind blowing. Thank y'all very much for following along. So feel free to subscribe to the channel if you're new. This is the first time you're watching, and share it on whatever platform you would like. Much appreciated. Anyway, we're gonna wrap it up, get everything unloaded, call it a day. Thank y'all very much for watching. We'll see y'all in the next video. Take care.